Okay, in the very first question, what is given here? Write AM and PM. Okay, we have to find out that what particular heading we are going to give here, AM or PM. Okay, and in the next question, in the second question, what we are going to do? Change into minutes. Means the time is given in hours and hours plus minutes also, and we are going to convert it into minutes only by using the formula which we have already discussed. Okay, and in the last question, you have to complete this table. You have to complete this table. So here 12-hour clock is time is already given, so you have to convert it into 24-hour clock, and where 24-hour clock is given, you have to convert it into 12-hour clock. Okay, I think your revision sheet is very easy. So let's continue with the first question. Okay, students, quickly show me your thumb if you all are ready. Quickly show me your thumb. Very nice, very nice. Good, very good, beta. So here we are just going to start. First of all, Sachin, you are going to give me the answer. Sachin, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Write AM and PM. In the very first question, you have to write down. You have to check the time.
PM.
Beta, you have to check the time very carefully. Then you are going to give me the answer. Okay. So suppose here it is given that the bed time is at 10. Bed time is at 10. So what does it mean?
Ma'am, PM.
PM we are going to write. Okay. So ma'am is just going to write down here PM. Okay. Okay. Yes. So now you can mute Sachin. Beta, you should always set a place where no other family member can disturb you. अभी देखो आपके पीछे से कितना voice आ रहा था ना? So you must take care of these things. Okay. Now, next one ma'am is going to take. Yes. Ishita, why your camera is off? Quickly click on the raise hand button and keep your camera on. Keep your camera on. Shraddhanjali, can you tell me the next question? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It is the time for breakfast. It is the time for breakfast.
Ma'am.
Yes.
AM.
What?
AM.
Very good. 1 second, ma'am. थोड़ा सा size का big कर दें. Okay. Yes, breakfast. Breakfast means we are going to take the breakfast in the morning. It is obvious. अगर breakfast है तो it is obvious ना that we are going to take it in the morning. अगर वही अगर आप food आप lunch afternoon में लेंगे तो it will be converted into lunch. Yes or no? And the same food we are going to take in the evening time. It means it can be termed as dinner. Okay, and dinner we are going to put PM in the case of dinner, but here the breakfast we are talking about, so it means breakfast we are going to write down here. Yes, Shraddhanjali. AM. Very nice. So here we are going to put AM. Good. Okay, now we are going to move to the next question, and in the next question we will only 14 student has done of your class. Shraddhanjali, now you can mute beta. ये कौन है? Alia. Alia, quickly unmute. Where is Alia? Unmute yourself, Alia.
Yes, ma'am.
Dinner is ready. Means?
Ma'am, PM.
Dinner is ready. We have already discussed. Yes or no? Dinner means?
Yes.
Obviously in the evening we are taking. It means we are going to write down
PM.
PM. Very good. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. One second, beta. 1 second. Somebody is calling. Give me a second. Anant Jain, unmute yourself. Anant, unmute yourself. Ji beta. Yes, beta. So the next one is, can you read the D part?
I go for jogging before going to school.
Yes. So it does mean, what does it mean?
Ma'am,
AM. Yes, beta. When we are going to move for the jogging before the school. Okay. You can also go for the jogging in the evening also. Yes or no?
before going to school.
Yes, but it is clearly mentioned here that before going to school, it means we are talking about for the morning. So that's why we are going to put what? AM or PM?
Ma'am.
Very nice. So here ma'am is going to write down AM. Good. So the next one is Shaurya Gehlot, unmute yourself. Shaurya Gehlot, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next
To
one.
write portion also.
Yes, beta, you can.
I go out to play at 4 p.m. daily.
4 p.m. daily. Okay, because it is not possible for you to move for playing in the morning. Yes or no? Because you are too small. Yes or no? Yes. Very good. So here what we are going to use? Yes, Bache?
PM.
Yes, exactly. So we are going to put here PM. Very nice.
Okay. Thank you.
God bless you, beta. Dhanvi, can you unmute yourself? Yes, Dhanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ji, beta.
It's time for newspaper man to come. Ma'am, AM.
It's time for newspaper man. And newspaper man always come in the
Morning.
Yes, morning. Very good. Arneer, why you have joined so late today? Arneer. Quickly unmute, beta, Arneer. Arneer and Charvi, both of you. Why you have joined so late today? Yes, Charvi. I think some network issues from Arvine's side. Yes, Charvi, what happened? Charvi, quickly unmute yourself, beta. Yes, I have already given you the permission. Yes, what happened? Can you type in the chat box? Due to network issue. Okay, but now your query is resolved. Okay, beta. So now you can unmute yourself. Now you can unmute yourself. Beta, it is not possible. If it is not possible, in that case, quickly rejoin the class. Your problem will be resolved. Okay, quickly rejoin the class. Charvi. Yes, Arneer.
Yes, ma'am.
Advitya, you can mute yourself now. Advitya. Yes, Arneer, unmute yourself. And Kinshu, keep your camera on. Arneer, why you are so late today? Quickly switch on your camera, both of you, Arneer and Kinshuk.
Okay, ma'am.
Why you are late today? Quickly tell me what happened. Yes, tell me fast. Why you were late today? Beta, rest of the students are waiting for you. Quickly tell me the answer. Otherwise, I have to inform to your class teacher also.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
who was calling?
Beta, you should have the separate device now. Okay, ma'am is going to talk to your parents also. Okay, regarding this. Now, can you tell me F part? Arneer, can you tell me the F part? Yes. Kinshuk, still your camera is off. Kinshuk, still your camera is off.
AM.
Yes.
AM.
Can you read the question?
It's time for newspaper ma'am to come.
Yes.
Man.
So at what time newspaper man come? AM.
AM.
It means we are talking about morning. Okay.
Morning.
Yes. Now we are moving to the next question. So here,
Ma'am, can I mute?
yes, beta, you can mute. Ishan Verma, unmute yourself. Ishan Verma. Ishan, are you ready? Yes.
Yes.
So here the second question. Can you read the second question?
Yes, ma'am. Change into minutes.
Yes. So here 8 hours are given to us. So first of all, can you tell me with the help of formula, what is the relationship between the hours and the minutes?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour.
There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So here ma'am is going to write down the same. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And when we are going to convert 8 hours into minutes, what we are going to do?
Ma'am, we will multiply 8
Yes.
by 60.
Very nice. So we are going to multiply 8 by 60. Can you tell me the answer right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 480 minutes.
Very good. 480 minutes we are going to take. Very nice. So when we are going to convert hours into minutes, we are going to multiply because our answer is going to be big, na? Our answer is going to more. So that's why we are going to multiply
Yes,
by 60. Okay, beta. So similarly, when we are talking about the next question, but here both the things are given, means hours are given and the minutes are also given to us. Okay.
Yes,
so what we are going to do?
ma'am, first we will
Yes.
multiply 60 by 6
Very
and
good.
whatever the answer will, we will add 35 minutes more in it.
Exactly. So it means 35 minutes are already in minutes. So we are not going to convert this. We are just going to convert only hours. Okay. So that's why we are going to convert only the hours. And when we are going to convert 6 hours into minutes, what will be your answer? Yes.
Ma'am, the answer will be
Yes.
360.
Very nice. So here your answer will be 360. Okay. And that will be minutes. And what is already given here? How many minutes are already given here?
Ma'am, 35.
35. Okay. So when we are going to multiply 360 plus 35, so what will be your complete answer in minutes?
Ma'am, 395.
395. So at the last, ma'am can write here
395 minutes.
Minutes. Exactly. So don't forget to write down the units. Okay, bacha?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So now you can mute. Ishan, now you can mute. Sarthak Pal, keep your camera on. Sarthak Pal. Beta, keep your camera on. Divyansh, unmute yourself. Divyansh, quickly unmute. Divyansh, your options are not visible to me. I think some network issues from your side, Divyansh. Okay, by the time ma'am is going to take Advitya, unmute yourself. Yes, Advitya.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So quickly read the next question.
Complete the table.
Yes.
Ma'am, in this question, in one table, we have in column A, we have 12-hour clock, and in column B, we have 24-hour clock.
Yes, it means in few questions, 12-hour clock time is given, and in few questions, 24-hour clock time is given, and we have to fill rest. Okay. So in the very first one, what is given?
Ma'am, 24-hour clock, first 1 a.m.
12-hour clock is given, that is 1 a.m. Okay. So now when we are going to convert it into 24-hour clock, so how we are going to convert?
Ma'am, we are going to, the answer is
Divyansh, John. Beta, 1 second. Divyansh, what are you eating? Divyansh Gautam. Okay. Yes, beta. Yes, Advitya.
The answer is 1300.
13000. Okay, okay, okay. But yes, it means how many zeros will come here?
2.
2 zeros. So beta, we have written down only. It means we have written down only 3 places. But ma'am has already told you to fill the 4 places here.
Yes, ma'am.
So it means how we are going to fill the 4 places. Can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
In the first place 1, then in the hours place it is going to be 13.
The hours place we are going to write down, beta. Suppose we are having 4 different places. We are having 4 different places. Okay, and ma'am is just going to write down these places. One second. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I think it is clear. My screen is clear. Okay, these 4 places I have to fill. Yes or no? First 2 places for?
Yes.
First 2 places for?
Minutes.
First 2 places from left hand side.
Sorry. First 2 places, that's for hours.
Yes, for hours. And the next 2 places for?
Minutes.
For minutes. Very nice. So when we are talking about 1 a.m., it means? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
1 a.m. The time is 1 a.m. So it means what is the hours? What are the hours given here? Yes.
Hours is 13.
13 at the time of AM. Advitya.
Oh, sorry, not 13. 0.
You must think. You must think before speaking. Okay. Yes. Kinshuk, keep your camera on. Kinshuk, keep your camera on. All the time I have to remind you, na? Otherwise, ma'am is going to remove you from the class if you are not following the class instructions. Kinshuk, quickly keep your camera on. Yes, Advitya. So sorry. Yes.
1 a.m. In the hours place 0 and then 1.
So I think now it is clear that we are going to fill the first 2 places for the hours.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here we are going to fill what?
0 and then 1.
0 and then 1. Okay, and
in the minutes 0, 0.
And the minutes place we are going to put 0, 0 because
there is no minutes here.
There is no minute, so that's why we are going to put double zeros over here. Okay, and something is still missing. Can you tell me what?
Yes, ma'am. In the end, we write hours.
Hours. We are going to write down hours at the last. Okay, very good, beta. Very nice. So here, ma'am is going to write down the answer as what? 1, 0, 1. 0, 1.
0, 1, 0, 0 hours.
Hours. Very nice. Okay, so now you can mute. You can mute. And Kinshuk and Harshita, still your camera is off. Kinshuk and Harshita. Both of you are listening to ma'am? Harshita, unmute yourself. Yes, Harshita. Kinshuk, ma'am is going to just remove you from the class because you are still not following the class instructions. Harshita, unmute yourself. Yes, Harshita. Speak something, beta. But Harshita, you are not audible. You have unmuted yourself, but still you are not audible. Speak loudly. Beta, you are not audible. You are not audible. Harshita, I think you are just lip movements are only there. You are actually not speaking. I think so. I think so. Yes or no? Harshita. Ishika Dhingra, unmute yourself. Yes, Ishika.
Yes, ma'am.
Harshita was audible to any of the student? Yes. Harshita was audible?
Ma'am, no.
Okay, I have to talk to this particular child. Okay. So now, Ishika, can you tell me the second one? Yes. What is already given here and what we have to find
Dash.
out? Yes. Yes. What is
Ma'am,
already given?
Ma'am, already
Yes.
given is 24-hour clock.
24-hour clock is already given. Okay, very nice. And we are going to find out what?
12-hour clock.
12-hour clock. Okay, so can you convert it? Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
1. Okay.
13.13.
13. 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. 13.
0.00.
That this is called beta colon and 00.
Yes, ma'am.
00. But here minutes are already 50. So why you are saying 00 here? Minutes are? Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in place of 00, we are going to write 50.
So we are going to write 50.
50.
Okay. So ma'am is going to write down. Can you repeat your answer?
13 point.
Beta colon. This is known as colon. Okay. This
Column.
symbol is known as
13
colon. Yes.
columns.
Or you can say,
Column 50.
or you can say 13 hours and dash minutes. What you are going to speak. Okay. 13 hours. You can bifurcate your answer like this. Okay. Instead of using colon
Okay,
word,
ma'am.
you can write down 13 hours and dash minutes. So can you tell me how many minutes we are going to write? 50 minutes.
50 minutes.
50 minutes. Beta, here 50 minutes are given, not 15. Okay.
Ma'am,
And
I have said 50.
15.
50.
50. Okay. And something is still left. What?
Ma'am,
Beta, you should tell me the complete answer now. Yes.
PM.
PM, sure. Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I confirm with one more child?
Sure, ma'am.
Let me confirm. Give me a second.
No,
Let me confirm. Arsh Malik, can you unmute yourself? Arsh Malik.
yes, ma'am.
Beta, can you tell me what will come here, AM or PM along with 13? I have some doubt on Ishika's answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
24-hour clock ka time hai.
This is for, ma'am is asking for 12-hour clock. That I have just write down here. Yes.
Ma'am, यहाँ पे ma'am वैसे PM ही आएगा.
It will come PM. Okay. You are 100% sure?
Ma'am, PM आएगा लेकिन ma'am, I think. Ma'am, second वाले में जो आपने अभी 13,
Yes.
1350 लिख रखा है ma'am, वहाँ पे तो ma'am 150 आएगा.
Means you are telling that the time is wrong. You are telling me that
Yes,
the time
ma'am.
is wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, when we are very good, very good. So that's why ma'am is asking about this particular time. So suppose 1350 is given here. Ishika, this is your. Ishika, are you listening? Arsh
Yes,
Malik.
ma'am.
Arsh Malik, your answer is 100% correct, but lots of disturbance from your side. So I have to mute you. Okay, beta. So always take a place where no other family members or no other disturbance can disturb you. Okay, you should always take care. Okay, bache? Okay. Okay. So Ishika, this is your mistake. So here ma'am is going to write down 1. 1 second. Yes, if 1350 is given here, so it means the time is 1, not 13. Ishika, it is clear to you? Yes, Ishika.
Yes, ma'am.
Your time is 1 and minutes will be 50 as it is. Minutes to change nahi hote hamare. We are going to write down the minutes as it is. Okay, and at the last we are going to put PM. It means Arsh, your answer is 100% correct, but Ishika, you have to improve. Okay, Ishika?
Okay, ma'am.
Sure?
Sure, ma'am.
So here you have to give me the next answer also, because your this answer is not correct. Okay, so you have to give
Yes,
me one
ma'am.
more answer. Can you read the next question? Can you read the next question?
12 midnight.
12 midnight means what we are going to do here?
Here we have to
Yes,
convert
yes,
12 midnight into 24-hour clock.
yes. So it means,
It means our answer is
yes. Yes, बेटा.
मैम मुझे ये आंसर नहीं आता.
बेटा पिछला वाला भी आपका गलत था. So it means you are not improving now. You are not revising. Yes. Yes, बेटा.
यस मैम. मैम मुझे हर क्लास में क्वेरी होती थी लेकिन क्लास अनजॉइन हो जाती थी.
बेटा ऐसे देखो, ये एक्सक्यूजेस नहीं बनाते. देखो इशिका, मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनना बच्चे, ठीक है? कभी भी हमें कोई चीज नहीं आती तो वी विल नॉट मेक द एक्सक्यूजेस. ठीक है, हमें क्या होता है लाइफ में, हमें क्या करना होता है, एवरीबडी वांट्स रिजल्ट. ठीक है ना, एक्सक्यूजेस कोई नहीं पूछता. हमारे अगर नंबर कम आए बाई चांस, तो कोई ये नहीं पूछेगा हमसे कि बेटा हमारे नंबर कम क्यों आए हैं. नो, नोबडी इज गोइंग टू वांट एक्सक्यूजेस. एवरीबडी वांट्स रिजल्ट. कहीं भी आप जाओगे, किसी भी फील्ड में अगर आप आगे निकलोगे, तो एवरीबडी वांट्स रिजल्ट. कुछ भी करना है, नहीं आता तो आप व्हाट्सएप करिए, जो मर्जी करिए, जैसे मर्जी सोल्यूशन निकालिए, क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम अगर हमारी होती है तो सोल्यूशन भी हमें ही निकालना है ना, कोई और तो नहीं आएगा निकालने के लिए. ओके, तो यू शुड ऑलवेज ऑलवेज बी अलर्ट. अगर आपका बाई चांस क्लास में इस क्वेरी नहीं सोल्व हो पाई, तो यू कैन सेंड द व्हाट्सएप, या फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में सबसे पहले रिजल्ट पे क्लिक करके रखो आप. ठीक है ना? जब तक क्वेरी
मैम आई हैव आंसर.
जब तक क्वेरी सोल्व नहीं होती तब तक हमें पीछा नहीं छोड़ना. ठीक है ना, समझ गए ना? फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट टाइम, एंड बेटा ट्राई टू यूज स्मॉल स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस, इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस. ओके बच्चे?
ओके मैम.
यस
मैम आई हैव आंसर.
यस, बोलो बोलो, शाबाश.
मैम 24
पॉइंट. पॉइंट क्यों बोलते हो बीच में?
सॉरी मैम.
24 आवर क्लॉक में तो पॉइंट होता ही नहीं. और वैसे भी मैम ने आपको क्या बताया, दिस इज कॉल्ड कॉलर. कॉलर नहीं बोलना तो आप आवर्स और मिनट्स में कन्वर्ट करके बोल सकते हो कि डैश आवर्स डैश मिनट्स, ऐसे बोल सकते हो, बट प्लीज डोंट यूज दिस पॉइंट वर्ड. ओके,
24 hours.
यस,
24 hours 00 minutes.
yes, 24 hours 00 minutes. So we can write here 2400. Okay, and at the last we can put, अच्छा बेटा, one more thing is this, that we can also write the same time. इस टाइम को हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. I have already informed you by using 4 zeros. If we are talking about the beginning of the day, so we can write down 0000. Okay, and if we are talking about ending of the day, time तो same ही रहेगा ना, 12 o'clock. So we can put 2400. Okay, and we are going to write down hours over here.
Hours.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And rest questions ma'am is going to send you through the WhatsApp. You are going to complete by yourself. Okay, student, as the time is over, so I have to end today's class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. God bless you. God bless you, students. God bless you, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
God bless you, beta.